Hello everyone, this is a short, sweet, and to-the-point video on what to do if your Dell Inspiron 660, or potentially other Dell models, consumer Dells mostly, because this is an Optiplex chassis almost. I almost think it's slightly longer, but the Optiplex version of this uses plastic caddy, so it's not going to be a problem with those. But a number of Dell Inspirons, or what is it, Vostro? I don't know exactly, but anything that uses this sort of hard drive caddy design seems to be prone to sticking in here. So, I mean, obviously goes without saying, you're going to want to remove these screws. And you'll be able to see that there's two screws here. Those are not important to remove right now, and I think you would struggle to remove even this one, and it's pretty much impossible to get this one out. So anyway, what worked for me, this is already loose now pretty much, what worked for me is, no matter how much I pulled on here, couldn't get it to budge, but I put my hand down in here, and your hand's going to have to fit in here obviously for this to work, and then I pulled up really hard, and it eventually came up. And be prepared for your hand to get pinched on this, and it's going to hurt, but you can set it back down to get it out, and once it's loose, it should pretty much just slide out like nothing. So, some other things to try if your hand doesn't fit, or for some reason that doesn't work. I saw a vague mention of somebody using pliers for it. I don't know what exactly you do, but I'd assume you'd try to bend these back with pliers, and you could also try mangling the cage. But yes, anyway, once you replace your hard drive, make sure to put your two screws back in, and make sure to put the two screws in here. You can see one screw on each side to hold the bracket on. And this is the old hard drive, if you were wondering. I took it apart and destroyed the media because it was not working. Not my data, so it's not really my problem, but I try to be nice about it. So anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope this helped, and have a good day, or night, or whatever.